Hello dear student, welcome to today's lecture. Already I have uploaded the two videos on the chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables, and this is your video number 3, class 3. First two video we did graphical method, and in this video I am also again teach how to solve the pair of linear equation in two variable with graphical methods. Okay, so if the two equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, these are two pair of linear equation in two variables. Case 1, if the ratio of coefficient a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, okay, in this case the lines are consist, lines are coincident. Coincident means overlapping. If the lines are overlapping means infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. And in this case it is not consist. Consist and not consist means solution is possible and solution is not possible. If one solution, then equation are consist, and there is infinite solutions or no solution, they are not consist. Case number 2, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2, so lines are parallels. Lines are parallel. Lines are parallel means both the lines are not intersect, so there is no solutions. No solution. If there is no solution, it is also not consist. Now case number 3. Case number 3. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon does not equal to c1 upon c2. Lines are intersect. Lines are intersect means one solutions. One solution, and there is one solution means it is consist. Means this is the concept which type of solution you get from the ratio. Okay, if ratio a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2 means the lines are coincident. Coincident means lines are overlap means there is infinite solutions, and it is not consist means उसका कोई solution नहीं मिलता है. In case of a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2, lines are parallel. Lines are parallel means they are not intersecting, so there is no solution means it is also not consist. a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2 means lines are intersecting lines. If the lines are intersecting means there is one solution and it is consist. This is the concept every student should know. Which type of solutions get which type of line. If you draw the graphical through the graph of the two equations, which type of graph you will get. From the ratio you can judge, okay, which type of solution you get or solution is consist or not. Okay, let's do the example number 4 in your textbook. In example number 4, solve the equation graphically, and the two equations are given. X plus 3y is equal to 6 and the second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So first find the ratio of the coefficient. Here the ratio of, I want to find the ratio, so here the coefficient is not given, means 1 is the identity element for the multiplication. So I can write here 1 into x, 1 itself, I cannot change the equations. So here coefficient is not given, means it means coefficient is 1. So 1 upon 2, 3 upon 3, 3 upon minus 3 and 6 by 12. Solve it. So 1 by 2, 3 and 3 cancel, minus 1 by 2, 6 2s are 12, means 1 by 2 does not equal to, does not equal to. So the lines are intersecting. Lines are intersect. There is one solution. There is one solutions. Now consist or not consist? If one solution, it means the equation are consist, and if there is no solution or infinite solution, in both the case not consist. But here but here one solution means the lines are consistent. Okay, so one, it is consist or not, so we can find consist or not. Yes, now solve it graphically. Okay, so let's start. 1x plus 3y is equal to 6. If you want to solve the solution of these equations, make a table. Okay, this type. Now first take x as 0 and in second case take a y as 0. If you take x is equal to 0, you get, taking x is equal to 0, get 0 plus 3y is equal to 6. 3y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 by 3 means 2. In second case, taking y is equal to 0 means, if y is equal to 0, you get x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 6. So 3 into 0 is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. You getting the two solutions. Similarly, find the two solution of second equations. Okay, in second equation also you can take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So first let's make a table. Then taking x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Taking x is equal to 0, you get 2 into 0, 3y is equal to 12. 2 into 0 is 0, minus 3y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 12 by minus 3, 3 4s are 12. Answer is minus 4. Now in second case, taking y is equal to 0, so 2x minus 3 bracket 0 is equal to 12. You getting 2x is equal to 12. 2x minus 0 is 2x. 2x is equal to 12. Then x is equal to 12 by 2. Your solution is 6. Now you can draw the graph. And which type of graph get? Let's see. I need a space. That's why I rough this one. Okay. Now I want for a graph I want only solutions. So this one is my y-axis. It is a vertical line. This one is a horizontal line. This end is x. This one is x prime. Y prime 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 6. On raise OY 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, my first solution is 0 and 2. So first find x is equal to 0. Where is x is equal to 0? On x-axis, x is equal to 0 is here, and you go to y is equal to 2. Means the point is here. Now x is 6 and y is 0. So first find where is the 6 on x-axis? It is here, and y is equal to 0. So don't go upside or downside. The point is on 6 and 0. Now 0 minus 4. So my x value is 0. So x is 0 is here and minus 4. So go downside. Oh, my 0 and minus 4 is here, and the second is 6 and 0 itself, it is here. Now let's draw the line. This one is a x plus 3y is equal to 6, and my second line is this one. And what is the line? 2x minus 3y is equal to 0, and this one is my solution, and the solution is x value is 6 and the y value is 0. Okay, so here your example number 4 is over. Now let's start exercise 3.2. It is very easy based on the concept already I taught you in this initial part of this lectures. Okay, so you should remember that concept and go further. Example 4 is done. Example number 5. 2 examples are already pending. Let's do first and then do exercise. Example number 5. The graphically find the whether pair of equation has no solution, unique solution, or infinite many solutions. Means the equation is given. Equation is a given. And you getting the making the equation, solving the equation 5 by 2, you get 5 by 8. Okay, the second equation is not given. In example number 5, the 2 equations are given. And if you solve these 2 equations, which type of solution you get? No solution, there is 3 options. No solution, infinite solutions, or only one solution. So you can find the ratio. 5 by 3, 8 upon minus 24 by 5, and 1 upon 3 by 5. Okay? So this is okay. But in this case, in numerator, only one number and denominator is in fraction. So you can write 8 upon 1 and 24 by 5. Now I want to solve this mathematical expression. The first ratio is as it is into the reciprocal of denominator. So 5 is equal to minus 24. 8 3s are 24. So 5 by 3. Here 5 by 3. Here minus 5 by 3. Solution of this term is minus 5 by 3, and 1 upon 1, 3 by 5. Okay, numerator is only one number and denominator is fraction. So first write numerator in form of fraction, denominator is also a form of fraction. Then 1 upon 1 into 5 by 3, you getting 5 by 3, 5 by 3. So in this case, which type of solution you get? In this case, you get, according to this concept, this one is does not equal to, this one is does not equal to, so the lines are intersecting lines. There is one solution. Intersecting lines, and there is only one solution. Okay, these and these are equal, but these and these are not equal. So in this case the lines are intersecting line and there is a one solution. And let's try example number 6. In example number 6, the two equations are given. Y is equal to 2x minus 2, y is equal to 4x minus 4. In this case, which type of graph is formed? Let's see. Okay, first arrange in a proper manner. You know the general formula of a linear equation in two variable, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So y goes to left side, so 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. In second equation, 4x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So find the ratio. 2 by 4 minus 1 by minus 1 and minus 2 by minus 4. So 2 2s are 4. Answer is a 1 by 2. Minus 1 and minus 1 cancel out. Answer is 1. 2 2s are 4. 1 by 2 does not equal to means intersecting lines. There is one solutions. Okay. So here this is in this example number 6, you getting the intersecting lines. And let's draw the graph. Okay, first find which type of solutions you get. So there is only one solution, intersecting lines. So it is consist or not consist? So if there is one solution means it is consist. Now let's draw the graph. Do a one work. Draw graph. Do yourself. I think you can do. How to draw the graph of these two equations already we did in example number 4. Two equations are given. Okay, first equation, taking x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, you are getting the two solutions and they represent on the graph. You getting the graph. But if you don't get, then you can use a textbook. There is the graph given and graph is you getting the graph is this type and the solution is 1 and 2, means your both the lines are passing through 1 and 0. Okay, and in second video we will start exercise 3.2. Thank you very much for watching this video.